Guys, today we're playing Modest Stepping God. As you can see, we have 120 mil, and there's something in the game that's 120 mil, but it just costs today we're playing with. And also, my brother is doing this YouTube channel, so you can watch it. Guys, I hope I don't miss anything at the belt. Yeah, guys, we're gonna do this tomorrow.